Hey guys, if you are thinking to upgrade from Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra to the new S26 Ultra and you are not sure why you should buy the new version, then I will be clarifying you that this new phone has a feature of privacy setting. So what does that mean? Like nowadays, because your privacy is always at risk. So if you are doing internet banking on a busy train or bus ride, then next person sitting with you can see easily your password, everything. So to protect that, so this phone has a privacy screen. So there is a feature you can turn on the privacy or you can turn off at any time. Let me show you what does that mean. So just like in the banks, if anybody is working on the laptop or monitor, so anybody can see from the sides, they can see what is on the monitor. So they put up some privacy screen here, so that way anybody sitting on the sides can't read or see anything. So that is to protect the privacy. So same way in the phone they come up with this thing, but it does not mean there is a extra cover on the phone screen. I will be showing you what does that privacy mean. See, now my Samsung S26 Ultra is here and I will be showing you. Let me turn on this way. So on the top you can see that, and on the side also, so you can see that. So on this side still you can see. And so to turn it the privacy on, so slide from the top. So once you slide that, and then you can see here privacy display. See this one? So turn it on. So it is asking turn on the privacy setting. So you can turn on and click done. So once it is done, let me show you again. See, from the top you can see everything, but when you are from the side, see, you can't see that. Let me show you the other way. See, from this side you can see that, but from this side, see now, so you can't see. From this side you can't see. From the top you can see. Let me show you again when I turn off the privacy setting. So let me show you again what is the difference. So I will be turning off the privacy. So the privacy is off now. So let me show you now again. So phone is here. See this one? From the top, from the side, from the top, from any side, everybody can see what is on your phone. So that is the difference. So which is very important, guys, as privacy is very important. Your banks, your other details can be compromised, so it will be always best to go for this one. And this is the first phone which has come up with this unique feature to protect your privacy. If you like this video, please subscribe. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.